In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message as SMS if iMessage is not available on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, and then once you are on the settings, scroll down until you find Messages. On Messages, scroll down again, and that's where you can easily find Send as SMS option. Basically, all you have to do is just turn it off or on by toggling on or off that switcher. When it is turned on, it will send a message as SMS when iMessage is not available. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.